silently this we call it a revolution is happening in India, especially. This is the right time. It's now or never. Like so, the customers also is more energetic, and they are really hungry to look for good solution.
Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at EMAC Tech Day in Bangalore and I am here with Mr. Chakravarti who is the Regional Manager Sales for EMAC India. Thank you sir, thank you for inviting us here.
Yeah, we also thank you for being part of this wonderful event.
Thank you
So
sir.
thank to MTD CNC for making us this into into the big platform. So to the
Thanks.
next level.
Thanks a
Thanks
lot.
for this.
So sir, we are this show was very successful for you, right? So what kind of technologies you have displayed here? Can you please tell us?
Yes, the idea behind this technology event, or we can call it as technology day, is to reach to our customers. The known customers. Some known customers may not know that EMAC has a big portfolio. So to reach to the known customers, and also for reaching to the in a closed circle of within the Hosur area, or in and around Bangalore. That's the whole idea of conducting a technology event at this location. So here our focus was more towards the aerospace, the two-wheeler segments, and also some job shops and tier 1 and tier 2 companies. So it's a mix. You can say in the Bangalore, it's a mix of customers and demand. So here we have displayed the complete solutions from EMAX, starting from turn mill. Then we have, when you take as a EMAG as a complete solutions provider, starting from casting to the finishing operation. So now we come with the hobbing, then we have a finishing, gear grinding, then super finishing. So we can give a complete. So this is the whole idea, to reach to the customer and say that yeah, EMAG is a complete solution provider, not only a standalone machine provider. We prove the machine in Germany, we supply as a turnkey solutions, or we can give us a standard machine. So we have a various different combinations. So EMAG also has an automation division where we can automate our own machines, not for the other machines. So it's a different company as such, as a, we can say, as a partner to the customers who are looking for typical components, traditional components, or you can say a challenging part which has come from a new EV segment. Of course, EMAG has done a good job in EV. So now our market share in electric vehicle is also improving. So we have some EV manufacturers for this show today.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So I can see a huge turnout here in this tech show, right?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was a very successful show. So what kind of Indian manufacturer you were interacting with a lot of customers and prospect customers here. So what kind of Indian manufacturers came to this show and interested in EMAC technology?
Yeah, today's event, I would say, like, for example, the top two-wheeler manufacturers was here for looking for different solutions from laser welding.
Okay.
We also have laser welding, not only on the turning. So we have a two-wheeler or a three-wheeler. There was a three-wheeler manufacturer who was also looking for a laser solution from EMAC. And also we have some aerospace representations where they are looking for electrochemical machining from EMAC. So we are in discussion with them. So
Awesome.
likewise, we have also like a typical automotive segment where the parts nowadays has become a challenge for them to finished component in a single setting instead of going various settings. So a single setting will give them the more accurate. So EMAG is really done a fantastic job in that, wherein we have invested in, heavily on the R&D, and now we have developed a lot of technologies for the latest components which is in the market.
Awesome, fantastic. So, Mr. Chakravarti, what do you think how this southern India market is evolving? Because we know this is India's manufacturing decade, right?
Yep.
There is a silent revolution going on, right? So, how do you see this southern Indian market, which is one of the biggest manufacturing clusters are here, right? How is it evolving now?
Yeah, you're put forward in the right way, like silently this we call it a revolution is happening in India, especially this is the right time, it's now or never, like. So the customers also is more energetic, and they are really hungry to look for, good solution. In the past we were only talking about the low cost solutions and this and that. Now we are speaking about the real technology which can help the customer if you calculate in the long term. So this is really giving a benefit. So like how we have learned, I can also see the market is also learning and evolving. And southern part of India, in Chennai and Bangalore, is all making challenging parts. And also we have good potential in the north. In south, I would say that the majority of the OEMs you can find
Yes.
here.
And also specifically talking about when now Indian manufacturers are getting ambitious, they want to export to the world, right? And so the quality of parts becomes very important, and that's how I think they were interested is to see how what kind of technology EMAG is bringing, so that they can increase the quality and accuracy of their parts, and beat the global quality standards and export their products.
Yes, this is an interesting question, I would say. The Indian companies is also, equally, I would say equally, they are approaching for export to Europe or US, or and also Indian markets like Tata or Mahindra is also have done a really good business. So it's like they are also smart enough. Customers are also smart enough to keep market share of 50-50 or a 60-40 between domestic and international. So we find there is some customers who are importing the castings and doing machining and supplying outside, or they have their own foundry system and doing a fantastic job, and they supply as a value added finished part exporting to the European market. So this change from the depending on more onto the domestic or traditional way, this has completely changed for the, I would say, last 7 or 8. It's a wonderful change.
Fantastic. So I wish you all the best for this technology day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. Thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot.
thank you, thank you a lot.